from the 8 here after the timeout.
Hey, alert!
Yeah.
51!
Pointing out the middle linebacker, Bryce Lesnick. Dion Lewis, good block by Ballmer. Good block by Gronkowski. He'll walk in as Gronk hooked his defender with a terrific block and opens the door. 8-yard touchdown run, Dion Lewis.
Boy, Dion Lewis has really played well for the Patriots this year. What happens sometimes is he's such a smaller back that he gets lost behind that offensive line. Doesn't freeze it right there. He can go either way. And what happens is they overrun it and he winds up going back door on you. I think his ability to slide, cut, and